Just burn off a bit of shit while it's raining. Also found a couple of pumpkin vines. Pumpkin seeds are through it, but probably 6 weeks ago. So I managed to get a fair whack of this shit onto that burn pile, which is good. Really cleaned it out. There's still a bit of more shit over there, a bit up the back there, big log there. But yeah, if it keeps burning overnight, hopefully I'll get up and get the rest of the shit down there. Start cutting down those bloody stumps and shit. When it stops raining, I'll get the mower through here and mulch it all in. It's good. Yeah, it's just fairly rained. It's probably rained pretty steady for the last 2.5 hours, which is good. I always love it when it's misty sort of foggy coming through the bush there when it's raining. Yeah, it's just a quick one. So yeah, it's